What is going on YouTube? Just a super quick video. We have the Day of the Dead Blu-ray special edition. Here we go. Okay, I just took the sticker off and realised it wasn't recording, so here we go. Middle of the night, so it's going to be a bit of a sloppy video. I'm just kind of doing it quick. Oh, I forgot about I ordered that as well. Look at that for a little treat. Can you see it? Video Dead Television. Double bill. But I'm here. Oh man. Here it is. Very nice. Probably be easy to just take the carefully. What is this? Why is nothing simple? So, okay, we're going to have a little look. I know the thing's been very annoying, but this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to get it all out. Get it all out. Nothing left in there. Put that over there. I'm not going to say all the special features and all that stuff. I'm literally just showing you what you get in the box. Because I'm sure people have already done that, going, oh, it's the 4K blah 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 edition, and there's the boy. And then the postcard set. And the menu was to show the postcards. Look at that. Ooh, lovely. Okay, let's show these. If I can get them out. Nice band. Okay, let's show these postcards without getting the glare on them. Let me dim the okay, there's some. Be just quick because I can hear some animal in here. There's the boy. You got quite a few, don't you? There's old George. Nice collection of lobby cards, I guess they are. There's the Mania. Spoiler alert. Yeah, there's like a lot in there. Super cool. So, that was it. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick one, just literally to show you what's in the box, not all the special features and what's actually in the Blu-ray. There you go, 4K, ultra high definition. There you go. That's all you need to know. Shout Factory. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one. Laters.